It's the magic of math here, and today we're talking exponential appreciation, and we're going to use an exponential function to solve a problem. We're given this problem. A rare painting was purchased for an art museum. This function models the projected value of the painting X years after its purchase. F of X is equal to 10,500 multiplied by the quantity 1.015 to an exponent of X. Based on the function, determine whether each statement in the table is true, and we're asked to select true or false for each statement. So here's where I'd like you to pause the video, do your best work, and then come back to see mine. Good luck! Welcome back. So again, we want to select true or false for each of these three statements. So let's clear our workspace of everything but our function. The first statement says this painting's value at the time of its purchase was $10,500. So initially, our cost was $10,500. When we look at an exponential function, that first value that is here is our initial value. So it's what we paid for it, what it was our cost to us, $10,500. So we can say that this is true. Moving on to the next statement. The painting's value is projected to increase 15% per year, meaning it's exponentially appreciating. It's growing in value. Well, let's check this out. We look to our power in our exponential function, and we look at the base, and we can see that that is 1.015. That is 100% of its initial value plus this amount. When we write this as percentage, 1 becomes 100%. We're going to move the decimal point right here to make it 1.5%. And that shows our exponential growth or appreciation. So this is telling us that every year it maintains the amount we paid for it, that 100% of our cost, and we add 1.5% in appreciated value. So it's not increasing 15% per year, it's increasing 1.5% per year. So this statement is false. Now let's clear our workspace and look at our last statement. The painting's value after 15 years will be twice its purchase price. So how we're going to do this is we understand that in this exponential function, the variable x represents our time in years. So we're asked, what is the value, or is it twice after 15 years? We're going to rewrite this with x replaced with 15 to represent the value of the painting after 15 years. To do this on your calculator, you want to put in the base of our power, 1.015, raise it to an exponent of 15, hit your enter or your equals, and then multiply by 10,500. When you do that, you're going to come up with approximately $13,127. I said approximately because I rounded this. So that is more, but it's not double 10,500. Double or twice this amount would be 21,000. So we can also know that this statement is false. And there you have it. That is how you read and interpret an exponential growth function. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you have a great day and you come back soon.